Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Han River. I just finished, bye Marcus.
Bye.
We just finished filming up a very interesting video about the Melia Vinpearl Da Nang with a beautiful river view. But we also checked out the Wink Riverside Hotel. And now I'm gonna do a walk in between so you see also the neighborhood here. How does it look if you stay in one of those hotels? How's the neighborhood? Be careful here. Always be careful. Watch your steps. You are here, you have a nice little promenade here right at the river. You can have nice walks. You could even run, right? So it's pretty nice here. Very calm. There's nothing going on. But I think in the evening there are some street vendors here. So yeah. We also have a beautiful church over here. A beautiful church and a huge construction site. I'm wondering what this will be soon. I guess we'll find out next year. It's a huge construction site. The hotels we just reviewed, it's very interesting. 800 rooms plus. The Wink Hotel might be also an option for long term. So yeah, don't forget, I will also link down below my video what I just did about those two hotels. Very interesting. I'm actually a little bit sold on this area now too. Very interesting area here at the Han River. Beautiful, especially if the International Fireworks Festival is running. Of course, then everything is more expensive. But yeah, the Melia Hotel was very nice, but check out the video. I did a complete hotel review from both. And yeah, check it out if you want to stay here at the Han River. Pretty interesting. The Wink Hotel is very interesting too. But they also have, they told me they have another Wink Hotel at the Han, at this side. I can see it from here. The other side of the Han River. Basically the city center or Haichao. Yeah, very interesting. This looks a little bit creepy here. But yeah, I can imagine there's some, I see some banh mi papers, sadly, pretty trashy here. But I could imagine you're gonna have a lot of street food vendors over here at night. On the daytime, of course, it's way too hot. But on this video, we will also see here this beautiful walk right to the Dragon Bridge, guys. Don't forget to like, please, and subscribe if you have not yet. Here on the left side, we have a church, and then we have some smaller buildings, also smaller hotel chains. And then also the Wink. The Wink has a beautiful rooftop. You will also see in my video. Very nice rooftop bar. And both hotels have specials for those International Fireworks Festival. This is the Han River. Some old fishing boats, so I'm not sure what they're doing. I saw someone was in the river before. I was like, oh my God, it looks a little bit dangerous. There's a little pagoda over here. Very interesting. Just in between, a little pagoda. I think it is a pagoda. This is the entrance to the Wink Hotel. They also have a Korean dessert place over there. Here you can have a little bit of shade walking. Beautiful. But don't be drunk here, else you might fall into that. Which is not that, I mean, it is dangerous, yes. Don't fall into that. But it is actually a nice walk here, to be honest. You are a little bit in the shade, but of course, on the noontime you should not walk here, just like me. Don't do it. Be aware. Always try to avoid those noontime sun. Very strong. Open event. There's a sale until June 30th. Okay. It's called Massage Body and Foot Spa. Lots of Korean signs on it. So I assume it's a Korean based or like for Korean market. I'm not sure. Very interesting. You have some houses over there too. Kai Hotel. There are some interesting hotels here maybe, you know, you never know. It's pretty interesting, guys. It's a beautiful view here. I think especially in the evening, if you want to have a different type of evening walk, right? Just come here and walk here because the lights are beautiful at night. I will also do that, of course, but don't wait until I'm doing it. Oh, look at this Boss Bar massage place. They have very nice seats in this van. Nice. And a very interesting place over there. This is like a bar, coffee shop, or something like that. It's called Gapella. And it looks like, I don't know, very European. What do we have here? This is a brand new building. I mean, at least it looks like it. It's called Napa Riverside. Wow. Look at this. I think this is an apartment building. Yeah. They have tinted windows, so you cannot look into it. Ah, pretty interesting. This might be also an interesting place here to live, you know. I mean, this is a very, very busy street here. I actually never filmed in this street here. It's pretty interesting. I've been here one time, walking to the Wink on a live stream. But yeah, other than that, I'm not that often here. This is also, on the end of this street, is the Sontra night market. The most famous night market in Da Nang. That's most likely one of the top 5 sightseeing spots or tourist attractions. What do we have here? KTV and an Audi sign. What does the Audi sign has to do with KTV? So you also have Korean barbecue here over there. Interesting. Yeah, it's a very interesting building. Huh. And some massage places right next door as well. Yeah, and this is a huge restaurant on a boat. I'm not sure if this is a real boat or if it's just a house on the river. I mean, it is definitely not in function, but was it a boat before? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you know that. Asia Trans Vietnam, what is that? Maybe it's an office building over there. There are actually some interesting restaurants all over here. Definitely a place to check out, and look how empty it is here. But definitely not in the evening though. It's always, on the daytime, the city is always empty, guys. Lots of people driving, of course, on the motorbike. Now, walking around, it's not a big thing here, especially with this heat now. It is very hot. It's 32 degrees, just like every day. It is a good weather. Somewhere there are some clouds, which looks very pretty. Sometimes clouds come over, which is actually better than having full blast sun. Having a little bit of clouds is good. But yeah, no rain here on the Da Nang beach side. Sometimes it rains somewhere in Da Nang, and then that's why the weather app says it's raining. Here is the Mary Hotel. A big karaoke spot. And this here, Umeyaki Buffet and Barbecue. So yeah, let's check out this houseboat restaurant. It has beautiful sights on top. They also have a rooftop there. Guys, what do you think? Is this a real boat, or is it a house built like a boat? It's very interesting, guys. Huh. Wow. What do you say, guys? Is it a real boat, or is it just built like that? Oh, look at this. That's a good value. 290,000 dong, and come 4, pay 3. Please, Vietnamese, in my chat, is it the right thing? If you come 4, you only pay 3. I think that means. Oh wow, look at this. They're renovating something here, but look at this beautiful view here. I think they're closed right now, but wow, this looks beautiful. I have to definitely come here one time. This is a beautiful restaurant, also upstairs. They have even an elevator here. Wow, rooftop 5th and 6th floor. So it's called a yacht. It does not bounce around. So I'm not sure if it's a real boat or not. They have some construction here. I'm not sure what they're doing, what they're building, but yeah, I guess they're renovating. And I think they're also only open in the evening. Look at this Japanese barbecue buffet for 290,000 dong. It's actually a steal. Buy 3, get 1 ticket, buffet tickets. All right. Offer available all day from 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. Interesting. And the fireworks festival, they also have some on the rooftop. We have to try this out one time. Very interesting, guys. What do we have? This is also a very interesting place, very stylish inside. It's called Tila Cafe and Bistro. You got an ATM here. You got a yacht over there. Interesting. Maybe you can even rent out yachts here in Da Nang. That would be interesting, guys. A yacht party. Huh. What a stylish concrete building. It's called O-Day Stay. Look at this. Balconies, concrete, a little bit of bushes. Wow. Some boats over there. A nice heart to make photos. Coffee shop. You can have a coffee over here as well. Interesting. There's a premium hotel, it says, but I never heard of it. If you say premium hotel, I will review you. What is that? Caro? Caro? Interesting design. I like that. Very interesting design. It looks also they have a rooftop pool. Caro Premium Hotel. I will review you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to Social Sammy as well. And like this video, please. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is the street now where so many people on the weekend stand and watch the Dragon Spitfire at 9 p.m. on the weekend. This is also super nice here. Very nice. Yeah, this is very, very busy at night time on the weekend. But it is also beautiful to walk here. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out the video what I just did about the hotels. The Wink Hotel and the Melia Vinpearl. Check it out here. Give a like and say you're coming from the walking channel. I know that's you. Thank you so much and see you in the next walk.